In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use a Slack Canvas checklist. If you're looking to keep your team's tasks visible, organized, and right where the work happens, Slack Canvases are a great place to start. We'll walk through creating a canvas, adding a checklist, entering your tasks, assigning owners and due dates, and sharing it so everyone can collaborate smoothly. Begin by creating a new canvas. You can start from scratch if you want a clean slate, or pick a template if you prefer a head start with structure already in place. Templates are handy for recurring workflows like meeting agendas, project kickoffs, or onboarding. Either way, you'll end up with a flexible space you can edit in real time. Once your canvas is open, add a checklist using the toolbar at the top. Look for the checklist option and insert it into your canvas. This creates a neat, interactive list with checkboxes you can toggle as work gets done. Add a title or a brief description above the checklist so people understand its purpose at a glance. Now enter your tasks. Keep each item concise and action-oriented. Start with a verb and make it specific, like draft Q2 roadmap, instead of something vague. Press enter to add the next item, and feel free to reorder tasks so the most important items rise to the top. If a task needs more context, add a short note or link directly in the canvas near the item so teammates don't have to hunt for details. To keep accountability clear, add a date or assign a person to each task. Use the date picker to set a due date that's realistic, and assign an owner so there's no ambiguity about who's responsible. Mention people directly if it helps visibility. Due dates and assignments make it easy to scan the list and understand what's coming up and who's on point. As you work, check items off as you complete them. Clicking the checkbox marks the task done, and you can always uncheck it if something needs more attention later. Seeing progress build in the list is motivating and gives everyone a quick status snapshot. Finally, share your canvas for collaboration. Post it in a channel where the work happens or share it in a direct message with the people who need it. Sharing in a channel encourages transparency and invites feedback, while a DM keeps things focused for a smaller group. Let your teammates know how you want the checklist used, whether they should add tasks, update dates, or just mark their items complete. That's it. With a canvas, a clear checklist, thoughtful dates and assignments, and easy sharing, your work in Slack stays organized and moving forward.